Good afternoon. Welcome to the QCIS channel. On this channel, you get a daily dose of science, technology, engineering, and math. And today I'm going to give you a short overview on bituminous concrete, or we call it asphalt. Now, as I walk across this parking lot, you can see the existing asphalt and what it looks like. You can see that's in bad shape. But I'm going to show you ways they repair the asphalt. Now, so I'm walking right now through the parking lot, and I'm also introduce you to some of the paving equipment that is used. Now, the first way they repaired this asphalt is you see this seal. This is black seal that they put in all the cracks. You see the cracks, and this is the black seal in the cracks. Now, other ways that they pave this asphalt is they cut a patch. This is a bituminous patch. Again, this basically helps stabilize everything, and it basically covers up all of your potholes. I'll show you some examples of patches again. Here's another example of a patch. Now, outside the patch, there's more seal. And here's another example of a patch. It's a bigger patch. Now, sometimes when they do asphalt too, they may go and put new asphalt down. Now, what you see, this is old asphalt. Now, I'm going to show you what new asphalt looks like. This right here is brand new asphalt. You can see that the asphalt should be sealed, but it hasn't been sealed. You can see the difference. But again, asphalt is very cheap to put down. It's made of aggregate, and it's also made of regular stone. Stone is basically crushed at the plant, mixed in with the tar, and you have asphalt. Now, the equipment that you see right in front of me is what's used during paving operations. Now, right here, here's a paver. If you've seen some of my other videos before, this is what they used when they paved the road. This is the same paver. This is the hopper. It's usually filled with asphalt. And here's some of the rollers. These are vibratory rollers. These rollers are used to compact the asphalt. Now again, there's 4 of them out here. Here's one of them. Here's the second one. Let me show you all something too. Gotta watch it. That shiny stuff, that is actually ice. It's 28 degrees out here. Here's the third roller. Because when they have pavement operations going on, they usually use a breakdown roller and a finishing roller. Here's the fourth roller. Now, any of these rollers could be used as a breakdown roller or finishing roller. The breakdown roller starts the compaction of the asphalt, and then the breakdowns, they just touch it up. Again, here's the old asphalt. Back here, here's what we call the backhoe. This is what you call the generator. And those pins, that's what they use to place for installation of curb and gutter. Again, this is your backhoe. Now right here is what we call our tar buggy. It's an MTV. This is what they use to transfer the asphalt to the paver. We call it a buggy. It's front of it. It's what we call the shuttle buggy. Now these right here, these bags, these are called washout stations. We no longer allow concrete trucks to wash out their concrete on grass. So these are bags that they use for washout stations. Now again, you're looking at the condition of this asphalt. Now this asphalt, it's actually in pretty good condition. See a little cracking. And this is what I basically inspect when I'm doing asphalt. As you see, the asphalt is cracked. Now they put seal in. Now, what happens if they don't have seal in the asphalt? Well, I'm going to show you another process that they use. You see, this is the seal that they put in the asphalt. Now, let me walk across the street as I do my little inspection. This right here is the seal. Now this right here, this black stuff, is also seal as well for the asphalt. And here's some seal as well too. Now I'm just looking at the parking lots. This is what's going on out here. You see how cracked it is? This is what I'm inspecting. See, this asphalt is some terrible condition. Look at that hole. It needs to be repaired. Now again, the cheap way to do it, so it looks brand new. A lot of parking lots put this seal on it, and that's what this is. Now here's the seal that they put on asphalt for cracks. Now this is what brand new asphalt looks like. Again, asphalt is a cheap way of surface for traffic. Now also again, these are what you call patches. It's a little bit busy here, and I'm doing it in this parking lot to show you actually what concrete bituminous looks like when it's new, when it's old. Again, these are patches. You can see how bad this concrete looks, this bituminous looks. It's very important that this is a driving surface, so you can see many ways that they have repaired this asphalt. And again, it takes the video, well, this video is going to show you the equipment. Now, also with some of the equipment, you have these items here. These are for safety when they place rebar. You don't want your rebar sticking up with those because somebody could land on the rebar. But this is your roller. This is what compacts all the asphalt. This is more like a utility truck. This right here, this is your backhoe. Again, looking at the condition of this asphalt, it's in poor condition. This is your tar buggy. what uses to transfer all of the bituminous material into the paver. I'm just showing you the other side of the tar buggy. Here are all the controls on the tar buggy. Call it a shuttle buggy. Call it a tar buggy. Again, for the backhoe, here's what the backhoe looks like in the front. It's like on the other side. But again, here are the rollers. These are vibratory rollers. These rollers are actually used to compact the asphalt. Mentioned that before. You're just getting a review. And here's the paver. That's what it looks like. Front, and of course right side. But let's take a look at this asphalt. Again, a lot of people don't really care about the asphalt like I do, since I'm an inspector, and this is what I'm looking for the cracks. Now again, these cracks are definitely filled with this seal. The seal is wearing off, and they actually need to go ahead and repair this parking lot. I may put a lot of patches on it. Again, here's the patches. That's what they look like. And here's the seal. Actually, now you're in review mode. This is the seal that they put on roads, and they put the seal in parking lots. Again, here's what the brand new asphalt looks like. Now they did a half job of compacting it, but when it's fully compacted, this is brand new asphalt. And again, when it comes to parking lots, this is the seal that they put on parking lots right here. See it right here. So I walk down. It's a cheap way to do it. Now, this asphalt right here has a lot of cracks in it. Watch out for live traffic here. This is what it looks like after they put the seal on. This is existing asphalt. Now in the road here, these are the cracks. That's what it looks like when it's sealed up. Now this is the existing asphalt. See how it's going through its wear and tear? And they've tried to seal it up as well. Now one thing about asphalt too, if you don't control the water, it's a lot of water. Again, they definitely need to fix it. And this is what I inspect. But going over asphalt, this is all the equipment that's used. And to show you how cold it is out here, just gonna walk by. I'll show you the And this is the asphalt. That's ice. Real shiny. You can see under this roller, that's more ice. Again, I'm looking at the condition of the asphalt. Now eventually, they're gonna have to come out and redo this parking lot. And basically what they'll do, they'll mill it, they'll take the millings, take them off site, and they'll use the millings for recycled asphalt paving. And something else I'm looking at, the striping. These are parking lot stalls, and once they fix the asphalt, they'll restripe it. Look at this right here. Look at all the cracks. This is what I inspect. Look at the joints right here too. The joints are wearing down. Look at it. Right here, the cracks. Now, generally, in the wintertime, asphalt contracts because it's cold, and it expands when it's hot. Now, something else to look at, so you'll understand everything that I'm doing, as we have worked out in the field. These right here. These are the 2022 standard specifications for NDOT. Now, the specifications tell you many things. These specifications will tell you method of pavement, they'll tell you materials. And I'll get more into these later on. But this is what they look like. Testing procedures. And for the most part, these tell you what they use on the job. Now, also, when I go inspect asphalt, I use a temperature gun. This temperature gun tells me, now this is in Celsius, I can put it in Fahrenheit, tells me what we have out here. Tells me what the asphalt is. It's 48 degrees. But this is what I use to actually work with asphalt. Again, I'm just giving you an overview of what's going on here. As you look at the asphalt, they tried to seal the joints up here, and you can see where the seal is coming apart. I'm just giving you an idea of what asphalt and what the equipment looks like. You can see the water, and this is very dangerous right here because at this temperature, right around 28 degrees Fahrenheit, that's going to turn into ice later on at night. And again, what I'm doing is giving you an overview on what equipment is used for paving and what actual paving looks like when they haven't put any new pavement down, what kind of methods that they use. They use the sealant, which again, this is the sealant, and then they patch it. Now, of course, there's specifications for everything, and this is what I do. Oh, this is bad right here. And a regular patch isn't going to win people like me over. You're just going to have to repair. And this is what it looks like, and this is existing paving. So again, you got to take care of your paving, your pavement. This is a patch. This is temporary. And that concludes this topic on pavement and equipment. If you like what I just presented, please comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're looking for some political and social content, check out my other channel, the 411 Talk Zone Radio Show channel. And I generally have live streams on that channel. And I also do pre-recorded content. Now again, if you can't find me on the 411 Talk Zone Radio Show or the QCIS channel on YouTube, you can check both of those channels out on Twitter. Now for the QCIS channel, take it out one step further. Since it is an educational channel, you can find that channel on LinkedIn. And once again, thank you for viewing this video on asphalt and paving equipment right here on the QCIS channel. On this channel, you get a daily dose of science, technology, engineering, and math. Until next time, my name is Leon Jones. Y'all have a wonderful and gracious afternoon.